This is the superior laryngeal nerve. It inserts at the thyrohyoid membrane, and it branches into two upper and lower branches, and it innervates the cricothyroid, which tenses the vocal cords. And I'm going to try to spin this around. It's also on the other side as well. We have the two cricothyroid muscles. They are the main tensor, which controls the pitch of our voice, and then it rocks the thyroid forward and down on the joint between the cricothyroid. In the posterior view, there is the posterior cricoarytenoid muscles. They are important for opening the vocal folds, and they can, need to be a little more, they can open the vocal folds wider. For example, if you're exercising and you need a big breath, the posterior cricoarytenoid muscles help open them wider so you can take a longer breath. Here is the lateral cricoarytenoid. It closes or adducts the vocal folds and lengthens the vocal folds. It's on the other side as well. Here we have the cricothyroid joint, which aids in adjusting pitch by changing tension of the vocal cords. Right here is the cricoarytenoid joint. It aids in movement of the arytenoids for vocal fold abduction and adduction. It's the joint between the cricoid and arytenoid cartilages in the back of the wall of the larynx. The vocal process attaches to the vocal ligament in the arytenoid cartilage. If the larynx was in position, the esophagus would be right behind it. It leads to the digestive system. It opens for food, and the food is propelled by gravity. And peristaltic contraction, the tube is posterior to the trachea. So the hypopharynx is basically the lower throat, and I forgot to say that the hypopharynx is where all of these body parts are located.